Oh, oh. MSA, no, you're not gonna do it 2.0. You're not gonna recreate a 2.0 MSA. Not in my show. DOC, switch it now. Switch it now. He's going to do it on another squad. He's gonna do it live. No. He's doing it again.
Wait lang. Kalma na.
MSA, MSA, MSA.
Madali lang yung
special coverage.
Step 1.
Here we go. Energy, energy.
Ito, yung special coverage ng...
In a way, he's recreating the same meme.
No fucking way!
Do it live.
Oh my God.
Then
He's gonna do it.
think about your dignity.
No.
Okay.
Here we go.
LTG, natugtog na yung how it made natin isang para alam natin kung ano yung process ng
Kuya Pao, sabihin Kuya Pao.
Wait.
You're with the reason po, Kuya Pao.
Hindi ko magaling. Mahirap lang masyado. Ganito lang yun.
Adrian!
Thank you.
Milk.
Clip it.
Di ba guys, kadali? Padali lang yun guys. Try yung, yun.
Kung ako teacher mo sa physical education, instant 100 na yung grade mo.
Tuwad na daan daw sa Kuya Pao. Tuwad na daan.
Tuwad na daan. Yung makapaniwala.